Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 Black Widow Ram 1500 Laramie. This is actually my father's truck. He just bought it today. We've been talking about these things for years, and we finally were able to pick one up, which is awesome. Absolutely gorgeous spec. It's fully loaded. I mean, the truck's stickered for 72, then went all the way up to, I believe, like 95 with all the Black Widow kit, but definitely did not pay that for it. They were offering like 20% off, so now is the time to do it. Oh, I love these damn trucks. Oh, that's so gimmicky, but I love it. Let's go for a ride. Come on in. Oh, man. That's my father. All right. 5.7 non-e-torque, which means no auto start stop, even though it's one of the best ones out there. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of it. 8-speed ZF automatic. It's the same transmission that's in my car, the Hellcat, just retuned, retweaked a little bit. Lifted suspension, bigger tires, trim differences, different gauges. Once you start digging into what this truck really is, you start to see what the $20,000 of extra kit gets you. Just all kinds of different trim differences. One huge difference is ride height. This is similar height to like that Silverado 6500 dump truck. You are riding up in the clouds. But man, it's awesome. You know, when these things first launched, I thought they were one of the biggest gimmicks around. Nah, this is a cool truck. Also wanted to review one of these for the longest time, just because, you know, I saw how popular they were, and I'm like, God, they can't be that good. No, they are. Good truck. The one thing, so far, until I drove this truck, I have not driven a lifted vehicle that is driven nice. This one drives nice. Apparently, Black Widow works hand in hand with Ram to make the lift kit within Ram specs, which allows them to still be under warranty, offer extended warranties, which, if you know modifications, once you put oversized tires, lift kit, fenders, your warranty's gone. That's not the case with these trucks. Black Widow also works with Ford and Chevy, I do believe. So it's kind of cool that you can get a Black Widow in your choosing. That's funny. You do have fog lights, but they don't make a huge difference. These headlights are bright enough as they are. And plus, the fog lights are like 4 feet off the ground. They're more like cloud lights. I try to be impartial in my reviews, but my end-of-day thought is Ram makes the best trucks out of the big three. Then again, I'm a Mopar guy, at least for now. But they make the best trucks. Interiors are the nicest. I mean, this isn't a fully loaded truck. With the Black Widow kit, it is. But they make higher trim levels than this. I mean, you have the Longhorn, the Limited. At the end of the day, this is kind of middle to upper range of the Ram lineup. And this interior is, I don't need anything more than this. You got stitching, all your touch points, and that's nice. 19 speaker Harman Kardon. It's a pretty nice place to be. We'll say bigger exhaust tips with the Black Widow kit, but I don't think it's any louder than stock. I think it's just the exhaust tip. It's not like it's a catback or anything like that, which honestly is perfectly fine by me. I do like noise, but noise gets annoying. Anybody that's close friends with me realize I make a lot of noise, and most people find me very annoying. This is the first vehicle I've ever driven where I'm sitting higher than the speed limit sign. I like this thing. Wow, okay, all the snow's gone in here. That didn't take long. Actually, you know what? No. Wait a minute. As you turn the wheel, the lights turn on. Hey! So, as you turn this way, the lights come on. That's pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one.